Sir, good morning, students. Today, in this session of class, we will discuss or we will read the second book from the Moment. Class is Standard 9. The first chapter, Moment, the Lost Child. Firstly, we should try to grasp the word meaning given in the textual book. That is very clear. When we go through the lines, there is a need of every part of the explanations of the word through the lines. All of you know that without word meaning, we can't understand the meaning of the lines. We are unable to understand the meaning given by the. So let us start to understand the meaning in the given chapter, the very first, the lost child. Its writer is Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand was one of the greatest story writers of our India. Very clear that the word in this chapter emerged. All of us know that some things came out, emerged. Explanations for its came out. बाहर की तरफ में निकलना. And the second, brimming over. Brimming over. To be full of something. The abstract, where there is plenty of, full of, it means that किसी चीज से भरा होना. Okay? And the third here, lagged behind. Its meaning was left behind. पीछे छूट जाना, lagged behind. And fourth, fascinated by, that they are attracted to. We can say that something attractions power, attracted to, आकर्षित हो जाना, मोहित हो जाना. And the first line, the way. It means that we are set off along the way. It means in the way it was made of, it was set off, बनाया गया था रास्ते में. And lingering, here the word here, lingering, lasting for a long time. Lingering for lasting for a long time. We can say that in the existence that it was for a long time. बहुत समय के लिए अस्तित्व में बना होना. Lingering, receding, left behind as he walked ahead. A person if walks and he left behind, एक व्यक्ति जब वो अपने रास्ते में पीछे छूट जाता है, that is a receding. And the suppress, put an end to, दबा देना. We can say that suppress, दबा देना. किसी cold, without any feeling or emotion. Without any feeling or emotion. We can say that in this temperament, that there is no feeling, that there is no emotion of any attraction. किसी भी चीजों में हमारी उदासीनता, हम अपनी भावनाओं को प्रतिबिंबित नहीं कर सकते हैं, दिखा नहीं सकते हैं. We can, ठीक है, didn't a cruel and oppressive ruler. A person who is very cruel, a person who is oppressor, a person who हम कर सकते हैं निरंकुश, तानाशाह, ठीक है. And melted, became tender and loving, pale or dull. Very soft,
very soft, became tender, and loving pale or dull, and there is no interest in. Gaudy. Another meaning is gaudy. It says that extremely bright, very gaudy. Another meaning is happily, also prafullit, happily, or extremely bright. The countenance is brightful. कह सकते हैं चेहरा बहुत ही प्रफुल्लित होना. ग्रोव, ग्रुप ऑफ ट्रीज, उपवन हम लोग जानते हैं. A place where there are some trees and in a line with. Upvan, you may say that. Grove, capers, a player, full skipping movement. As the trees or plants, when it comes into the movement, it is called the capers, playful skipping of the movement. Okay. Let's the further word meaning we shall teach. Okay. There is under another in the conceptual meaning of the word meaning from the text, the another meaning from the text your songs. It means that a huge crowd, बहुत ज़्यादा की संख्या में भीड़ एकत्रित होना. And the converging means gathering. हम लोग कहीं पर एकत्रित होते हैं या एक जगह पर, वहाँ पर हम लोग कहते हैं gatherings है. There is a gatherings. Heeded. The meaning paid attention. किसी चीज पर ध्यान देना. हम कहते हैं we don't heed, और when you say that heeded, paid attention, ध्यान देना किसी में. Overwhelming, a very strong emotion. Overwhelming means that हम कह सकते हैं इसे हिंदी में वशीभूत हो जाना किसी भी चीज के प्रति. हमारा सेंसेशन जो है, सेंस ऑफ इज कह सकते हैं अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर एंड वी आर अटैच्ड टू समथिंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड ओवरवेलमिंग. फॉरबिडन, फॉरबिडन नॉट अलाउड. किसी भी काम के लिए या कोई भी चीज के लिए हम जो कहते हैं अनुमति नहीं है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड फॉरबिडन, नॉट अलाउड, मना किया हुआ. Chorus. The word here unpleasant, very असुखद के रूप में हम कह सकते हैं. Not happily, not very, not happy. Hither and thither. The word meaning here hither and thither, here and there, यहाँ और वहाँ कह सकते हैं. Intently, very carefully. With the word here intently, you say that very carefully, बड़े ही सावधानी पूर्ण या वो बहुत ही minutely. Congested, full of something, भरा होना किसी चीज से, full of something, congested. And the another meaning of the hasty, large and heavy, बहुत विशाल के, बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा, hefty, you may say that. Thrust, push, when we force on the some object, push, धक्का देना. Knock, the hit, हम किसी से चोट हमें लग जाती है या ठोकर लग जाती है, knock दे, उस समय हम उसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं knock में. Brutal, rough, very uncivilized person is called brutal, that has no sense of civilization. Okay. So here another word, trampled, crushed, कुचल देना, कुचल देना या कुचला देना किसी में. trample, surging, powerful, बहुत ज्यादा शक्तिशाली होना, बहुत ज्यादा ताकतवर होना. should relax, या कंफर्ट, आराम, कंफर्ट, ठीक है, कंफर्ट, प्लीडेड, रिक्वेस्ट करना, प्लीडेड, P-L-E-D-E-D, you may say that request. And the another word, reiterated, repeated, पुनरावृत्तित करना, किसी शब्दों को दोहराकर जब हम बोलते हैं उसे हम लोग रिपीटेड वर्ड। डिसकंसोलेट, वेरी अनहैप्पी, बहुत ही हम नाखुश हो, खुशी की मुद्रा में स्थिति नहीं हो, उसे हम लोग कहते हैं डिसकंसोलेट। कन्वल्स्ड, टू सीक वायलेंटली, बहुत ही तीव्रता से हम किसी चीज के प्रति डाइवर्ट होते हैं, आक्रामक रूप में। जॉसल्स, धक्का देना, हम कहीं भीड़ भाड़ में रहते हैं, वहां पर जॉसलिंग होता है, किसी पर्सन से हमारा पुश करते हुए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। स्ट्रेन, गति, मोमेंट, समथिंग द ट्रीज स्ट्रेंथ, मतलब कि ट्रीज के अंदर गति आती है। स्ट्रेन, टू एक्सर्ट, द रियल मीनिंग हियर एक्सर्ट, मोमेंट से परसेप्शन। सर्जिंग, सडन स्ट्रॉन्ग इंक्रीज, सडन स्ट्रॉन्ग इंक्रीज, अकस्मात किसी चीजों में वृद्धि हो जाए, अकस्मात या ऑल ऑफ ए सडन किसी चीज में इंक्रीजिंग उसकी वृद्धि होती है, चाहे वो पानी का लेवल हो या कोई भी घटना की वजह से, उसको हम लोग कहते हैं सर्जिंग एट द हाईएस्ट मोड। सिल्कन, मेड ऑफ सिल्क, कोई चीज जो है सिल्क से बना हुआ। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, द वर्ड मीनिंग गिवन ऑन द बोर्ड exhibit that there are the meanings of the word from the Lost Child chapter. We come to the point here, the very chapter, the Lost Child. The lost here, the word is a participle, and the participle, what is a participle? Participle is partly an adjective. You may say that the lost, third form of the lose, third form of the verb lose, ठीक है, third form of the, and here the word here lost is then used in the participle form, खोया हुआ, just like an adjective. For example, I saw that I saw a fallen tree. I saw a fallen tree. What kind of tree did you see? That the answer is fallen tree. Fallen tree exhibits an adjective. So here is very word clearly says that the lost here is a participle के रूप में इसे इस्तेमाल किया गया है, थर्ड फॉर्म के रूप में। participle, child, noun,